Hello, I'm Dr. Craven from Care First Animal Hospital, and I'm here to help you understand kitten care. My assistant, Roz, will be helping me by asking some questions, and I hope we're able to help you understand more about how to take care of a kitten.
Dr. Craven, what is the most important thing to know about raising a healthy kitten?
I would say the most important thing to know about raising a healthy kitten is just they need plenty of love and attention and lots of care. They really do better if they have a lot of activity and exercise and mental stimulation. So definitely not a pet that you can just leave at home and not pay attention to.
What are the right and wrong ways to pick up my kitten?
So ideally what you want to do is scoop from underneath the chest and then hold him kind of against your body like this. You want to make sure that they feel nice and safe and secure, and not like they're kind of dangling in the air.
Okay. How can I tell if my kitten is happy and healthy?
A happy, healthy kitten will eat and groom regularly. They should be playful and inquisitive, and want to spend time with you. Some kittens will take a little bit more time to warm up to you, so definitely give them time once you take them home, but you should start to see their personality come out with time.
Next, I was wondering how I should feed my kitten.
So a kitten should be on a kitten-specific diet. You want to make sure that they're not eating an adult formula or a dog food because they require very specific nutrition in order to grow and be happy and healthy. Ideally, we like feeding a combination of dry and canned food, but you can do whatever is best for your family.
What are some products I might need for my kitten?
So you'll definitely need to get food and water dishes and a litter box in order to give them their basic needs. But you also want to get some things that can keep them happy and playful. So things like cat trees and toys and things like that for mental stimulation can be really important as well. Things that help them to get some vertical height, like cat trees, can be really helpful. And then some things to let them scratch appropriately, like scratching boards, can help them to channel their energy a little bit better.
And then one of the last questions I was just wondering about was when I should bring my new kitten to the vet.
We would like to see them in within a few days of arriving so that we can make sure that they are healthy and that they can get their necessary vaccines and check for any things like intestinal parasites.
What will a veterinarian look for during an initial kitten care visit?
So we're going to do a full physical exam, which means that we'll take all of their vitals, make sure that there's no fever, that their heart and lungs are working properly. We'll look at their eyes and their ears, make sure that there's no ear infections. We'll look at their teeth to make sure that everything's coming in appropriately. We'll listen to the heart and lungs and feel their bellies, just to make sure that they're generally healthy.
What are some early signs and symptoms of health issues in the kitten?
So some early symptoms can be a lack of appetite or weight gain. A lot of times with cats, they won't give you clear signs that something's wrong. So if they're hiding more or just seem not like themselves, that would be an indication that we need to see them in right away.
Why is it important to avoid self-diagnosing possible kitten health problems?
For that same reason, sometimes cats are really good at not telling you exactly what's wrong. And so even if they don't seem like they're that bad at home, a lot of times we will find things on physical exam that you never really expected us to find. And so for that reason, we like to make sure that we're taking a look and that we're communicating with you, so that we can make sure that everyone's on the same page.
When should my kitten get vaccinated?
So we like to start vaccinating kittens around 8 weeks old. We'll do vaccinations at 8, 12, and 16 weeks. Even if you don't get your kitten right at 8 weeks old, whenever you bring them in, we'll start the vaccine series and talk to you about what that schedule will look like.
And what do I need to know about kitten behavior?
One thing that's really important to know about kitten behavior is that they love to play, and a lot of their play is centered around normal cat behavior. And so a lot of it will be hunting behaviors and scratching behaviors. And so definitely trying to tap into that and playing with little toys that will help them to hunt and to climb and play and scratch is really important. Also, they are nocturnal, and so a lot of times they will be more active at night, so just something to be aware of as well. If you have any questions regarding how to care for your new kitten, please give us a call. We're happy to get you on the schedule so that we can take a look at your new pet.